Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
And guys, we are back again. Hold jobs. Yes. Yes. Now we are here in IKEA gym. Look. This is new. IKEA gym. Alright.
Sana all.
This is our new gym. Sponsored by IKEA.
Wow.
All new. Shout out for the Syrian? Huh? Oh, he is the one who picks this gym. Look, every day off now, going here for gym. Alright. P punching bag. Alright.
A few moments later.
Manny Pacquiao from Philippines.
Wow.
Oh my God! Wow! Yes, we're eating. Look guys, good. That's IKEA. Good, no? Now they have gym. Alright. Let's go. Wow. This is my friend Naim. Look, the body.
Gago inyo!
Alright. Makakapunta na tayo guys dito. Pag tayo ay break time, day off, pwede na mag-gym. Alright.